다 되래요. 다 정말로야. 나도 딜리슈와 챕직도 아니 가져야다. 데르데니마. 주제자님아 숨바를 진주사네. mesumba chari yare jezang ani yang karshur di ta dirma mutu ne chue de ma shu shaw shu yi.
First of all, I would like to wish everyone a good morning on this third day of the teachings, and so since it's the third day of the teachings, we will continue from where we left off.
Ta tela yang ranju di karshur da 우먼 주베 나눠라. 간스라완 조지 튀네 바 같은 데다 짐을 미세나 양서롱의 시와 주주베 튀네 신의 관계 롱을 주르스. 다 진짜기 지지지 숨버래. 다 디기 된다로디 간스라완 조지 튀네 바스. 강세 셰베 강게세 셰바디 밀루탑에 뒤준데라스탄 데시르 야위나 밀루탑에 뒤준데라스 라완 주바스 두사네 대화 게다 라완 주바스 대화 게 툼버네바스 두사네 아니 조바주 주단데면 내금데라스 다 드네 저번주던데베 내금 들려야 아주 뒤준디 베 가르쳐봐 제버 송네 에네 랑기 밀륜디라 담배 취기 거네 닝볼랭 거 바래 갈디 아주 드네베지 취 미슬레 닝볼랭베게 뒤주 예베 검들려야 닝보 밀렘밤 민진바이나 라랑에 송기 양사라 송네 에너지 가르에 최 전백이 최 이측 최세베 다 태야매바 랑 다나시 최 전백이 내가베야매바 딘데 뒤줄레레두사 다 드네지 겸게는다 내가 되네 겸게다지 야 롱롱겐도 겸게다 gwényab kala khabures drin dusan desumba drin dusane ti gyunzel tene nga zo tari chi tegen juju sabi milu rubu sana dando tabe che drubala ya geyen chashi tungen sa debe negam dele ya milu le nimbu lenga ba imbareso.
In the Entering the Middle Way by Chandrakirti, there is a verse that goes something like, now at this time that we have independence and that we are living and we have the facilities, if we do not make use of this time now and later would fall into the lower realms, what good would that do us then? And so here to explain this world, at this time means now that we have this human body. And at the time that we have entered this or engaged this independence or freedom, that means that we have the 8 leisures. And then by saying that this time that we are dwelling within the favorable conditions, that means having the 10 the 10 resources for that. And so at this time, when we have the 10 resources, and when we have the 8 leisures, we need to treasure this human body. And it means we have this human body, and we need to give it meaning through our Dharma practice. And if at this point that we have this human body, we do not give it such meaning, but instead let it go to waste, then we will fall into the lower realms. Once we have fallen into the lower realms, we will not even remember the Dharma. We will not even have a chance to hear the Dharma or hear the word Dharma. We'll have no opportunity at all to practice. And at that point, there will be no one who can extract us from that, no one who can free us, no one who can offer us any protection. And so for that reason, if we do not take this opportunity when we have the 8 leisures and the 10 resources to practice the Dharma, at this point that we have the leisures and resources to practice the Dharma, we need to practice the Dharma because we're free of all the impediments, we have all the favorable conditions, and so it is important for us to give meaning to this human life.
제자들 가서 저버주 들려야 란저롱하다 현저롱아 다들에 저 신앙기 게임과 야와천 주스레 치 튕겐 난가 튕겐 다 란저롱아 다대양 가자 유유들려야 서스기 왕도 제외 유유지다 추지기 왕도 제외 유유지다 안데만 비 유유지가 알아서 다디 유유니 수바데 가라서나 추지기 왕도 제외 유유세야지 출了차름 출려야 차름 차미자 출了차바 차미자 된데게 왕도 제외게 다 유유 지금 송구유스래 다 딘데지게 건 뒤에 나를 출로 처럼 참자 내가 돈에 지송구유에 빈베래 다 간다야 다 딘데게 가르에 우게바사디 딘데지메래 다 디나는 야 조디 추지기 유유디 개세입니다 추지기 유유 마다 나리는 유유를 깨워sam기 그런人心기 최주베기 그런 구요누디 찬의 여자 나디사 유유를 깨워sam기 최주베기 튕겐선한다도 디 구요누디 예뱅에 봤게요 만다된 주산 조디 추지기 유유선한다도全定이 최주백이 다 고급이야 진짜게다 그 지금 나눠려야 깨고하대 계심시라입니다.
Yesterday, when we were describing the 10 resources, we discussed the 5 that one must achieve personally and the 5 that come from outside circumstances. And we can see that we could say that this is dividing these or classifying them in terms of whether they come externally or whether they come internally. So having the external favorable circumstances and the internal favorable circumstances. Additionally, when we were speaking about a central land yesterday, we mentioned that this can be discussed in terms of geography. It can be discussed in terms of the Dharma, and I also mentioned that there's another way to describe what a central land is. And so the third way to describe a central land is based upon whether or not water will freezes there. This is described in the Vinaya, that places where water does not freeze naturally are the central land. But in any case, when we talk about a central land, then the main point about it is, the main thing is that we need to be born in a central land according to the Dharma. Now, in old times, just being born in the central land meant that you would naturally have all the facilities and situation and be in an environment where you could practice the Dharma. But nowadays, just being born in a geographically central land does not necessarily mean that you are going to have all of the conditions or an environment where you can practice the Dharma. And so for that reason, when we talk about a central land, what is most important is that we are talking about, in terms of dharmic terms, being born in a place where you have an opportunity or an environment that gives you the opportunities to practice the Dharma.
다드네 왕보상와 다 왕보상와디 게즈무를 차대요래 다들 참에 긴제버제 베나지 믹 롱아로 지미나 이게 상 미통하다 나와 웬바이나 수럽 기담이 되어봐도 제매바이나 로미뉴바다 이기 왕보를 견슈부인비나 지 가르조 렌징 다 룸바 다 딘데 내담 차려 깡바다 라보 매비네야 가르조지 강해지래 드린두산 딘데 다 왕보 마상와 이미나 간다 최 지당 그 최지된 근데지 주부 이미나 강해지래라 드네 학버도 가르조라다 지 다가다 다 탑시르 딘상 뒤줄이야 갈라칸섬 탑시르 차요르데 임비네야 다간다 강해시 최대하로 들리지 용디 알아 우연히 주르시에 대망보시라 예시 쇼가스게 민도
Another thing we discussed yesterday was that you have to have all of the faculties complete. And this is very important, as all of you know. If you are blind, then you're not able to see letters to be able to read them. If you are deaf, you cannot hear the teachings. If you have no tongue, then you cannot read aloud or recite. If your mental faculty is impaired, then you will be foolish. You will have difficulty. If you have no arms or legs, then there are great difficulties that come from that. And so, in this way, if your faculties are not complete, if you don't have all the faculties, then whether we're talking about worldly things or whether we're talking about the Dharma, you face greater difficulties. Now, in this day in particular, there are many things we can do, many methods that we have to help. But even with those methods, it is still far more difficult. And so there's not a whole lot of, there's not much need to describe this in further detail.
나전에 레기 타말로바 사드레 수버디 레기 타말로바 사 말왜 미니 여기 엄버서 된다 오케이 힘들다 레기 타말로바 사디 임베 다 레기 타말로바 사데 레기 타 당연 되지 말아줘.
The next of these is called, in the text, it is called not reverting to evil deeds.
지난다 타디 가르쳐다 최 자와단 최 건드지네 세방 직번으로 다든데 예, 질 고고에 그래. 내주산에 남들 레기 타사라 코아 세베기 주암 야나 타반 양엘인데 발라 코르에 타단 레기 타스 타반 양엘인데 발이야 코에게 타세베 인주산 양엘인데 바토나 코르타 세베 인주산에 디준젠데네 타사데 코르에 타단 레기 타스 순거 아래 다드네 인주산에 레기 탈 로바스 주산에 참여발라 소바 랑이기 제방 셴라 체도 주보이나 되네 깨와신기 바로도 미셔봐 냐와라 소바를 겐주고 알레스 냐와라 겐 소바를 겐주고 예베 인주산 텔라테네 타바 토발에 로밤 타바 토발에 로밤 타바 톱 떡가르 토야 톱다 매버를 이제 차주에 윈주산다 레다 로바스 내 속면도
So it is translated in this translation is not reverting to evil deeds, but a literal way to say this would be not turning away from the end of samsara. And so the end here, both in terms of the activities and the words here, it means that it's the depletion or the perishing. That's how we should understand the end. And so when we talk about this as the end of actions, we can talk about it as meaning like the end of samsara, the end of our karma. And so in this way, it's not turning away from the end of our karma. And so here, what it really means is that we are here, if we do one of the heinous misdeeds, one of the heinous wrongs, such as killing your mother, killing an arhat, and so forth, or if we get someone else to do them, then after we die in this life, we will immediately be born in the hells without any other lifetime in between. And so in that way, we have turned away from liberation, and we have
다나 신기 냐알라 소발에 깨베이나 냐알라 소발다 셰당기 규 런신기 규 셰당이 칸네 딘데게 네단로 용데 유스레 달라 깨네자 테네장엔로 깨베 방부 사네 년주타 능은바를 차도게 윈주 사네 텔라데는 딱 깨번 늦음시나 고타르바 토고레 사지기 딘데지기 가르슈에다 거를 가르슈에 타바 토베기 뒤주데 데 가르슈에다 시에가와르 딱깔라 하고 싶지 야 깔라 하고 싶지 차도게 예베라 딘데 인주산에 딘데가 토네 이메랄라 다나 신기 참매베 레 메인장 레타 로바 셴야 예수와레 딘데 인주산 디 균제는 데네 다가다 레기 타마로바 딘디지과데 게스미브라
Now, if we are born in the hells and so forth, then our mind streams are naturally filled with hatred and anger. And once we are filled with hatred and anger, then we naturally commit actions which will lead to further birth in the bad rebirths. And so, in this way, there is no end to the lower realms. We cannot see any end to the lower realms. And so for such a person, it would be difficult to say that there is a time when they will achieve liberation in this eon. And so that is what we mean when we say not reverting to evil deeds or turning away from the end of karma. There are also other actions than just the 5 heinous deeds that can also be described as the end as turning away from the end of karma. And so it is this is how we should understand the not turning away from the end of karma or not reverting to evil deeds.
지디엔단 지만다고 데라 다베춘 춘듀와디 말에 두산에 텔라 테바스 지당 테바 정도 마세베 춘듀와라 테바사 든지 고고요다.
It also, another of the 5 qualities one must achieve personally is having devotion for the teachings, which here means having devotion, having faith in the Vinaya that was taught for the Buddha is the basis for all Dharma practice. And so what this means is that the Vinaya is, or the basis for all of the positive qualities, whether worldly qualities or supramundane qualities, is the Dharma Vinaya. And so we must have faith in the Vinaya.
Jeju sembe denu su naloliya duwa ne namba ni des tongwan duwa da nyomo ban duwas dat ne sun yabe bare ne du sane tongwan duwa sa di duwe denu lo ku yime che nyomo ban duwa sa di dene dode dangwan be denu namba ni le dene ko war dene sun be indu sane kam di duwa sa di duwe denu samdu maasebe denu sunga la kwa ta dene ji yisare.
In the Pitaka, or the basket of the Bodhisattvas, or the scriptures of the Bodhisattvas, it is said that there are two different types of Vinaya, and these two types are the Vinaya of giving up, and then also the Vinaya of taming the afflictions. And so the first of these refers to the Vinaya scriptures. And the second refers to the sutras and the Abhidharma. And so by here saying the Dharma Vinaya, then we do not just mean the Vinaya scriptures, but all of the three baskets of scriptures.
다드네 senjoronga sheyu megala senjoronga nane shingi jobang ane ta 가서 주변에 신들이야 dumsikdi targenal dumsik kesu amarde yimbine 눈주다 년사가 나네 상계圈的 디주스 땜반네의 디주 현실 닝네 자와 사디 다 년세의 쓰기 말해.
And then the next are the 5 endowments that come from outside circumstances. And as I mentioned, there is no summary verse for these, but there is a summary verse that is provided in many editions that comes from the levels of the Shravakas.
대야의 현종아 슈가 윤진의 가르사나 지처르베 자기 임바 간시질이야 가사 신규도 예배 차네 현조로 제드네 지송교엽자.
Now the reason why these come from outside circumstances is that these are resources that allow us to practice the Dharma that must come from some external individuals, that must come because of some external individual.
다전에 럽두다 년사 라소베 난 가르스동 알아서 주비나 아니 르니게베 사조들 상계 응을 슈바다 데네 상계암 대기 데네 세 년퇴라 소베 담배 취응을 떠바다 데네 가르에 된 담배기 데바 원버토베 가서 주베 때만 많이 받아. 다나 신기 신기랑래야 세계라 써봐. 베즈라 마데버 세외권에 때려와라 써봐. 다 된대기 자기는 상하지 거래 숨으래. 다 임비네야 다디 조디 상계 셰슈베 뒤당 다나 신기 가르주에지 사달람 계획이 땡 개발제서는 단도 다 든들려야 공지 숨바 이말에 다 다다르지 차샤비미나 상계 응을수다 셰슈요 말에 대다 찬자와 대다 제수팀바 다 든지기 신중아 상하 예비임을 타지도 검제지 상계디 무슨다 셰슈버지래 신중아 인지 타지 든지래 고고 매베서지.
What it says in the compendium of the trainings, as well as in the levels of the Shravakas, is that for the five external circumstances, the first is that it has to be that one has to be born at a time when the Buddha is actually present, or when there is the Buddha or his disciples, such as the Shravakas, are actually teaching the Dharma. The practice of achieving clear realization of the ultimate truth must not have waned. And then others will give you food and clothing independent of your own efforts, but out of affection or compassion. And so these all need to be present. But when we talk about this, whether it is a time that the Buddha is actually present, it can be a time that the Buddha is present, or a place where there is the good support for practicing the paths and levels. And so nowadays is a time when the Buddha is not actually present, but we have all the resources or the facilities, and so we can say that that we do have all of the five qualities that come from outside circumstances. It is not 100% saying that a Buddha actually has to be present.
가르조에 지 대다 찬도 상계 지딘도全部채 되네 상계 지딘도全에 담배시 걸로 거 담배시 걸로 거는 대 땜바 다 머누버도 내려요 이번에 되네 땜바 되네 인주산에 나는 집에나 상계 좀 된 데기 담배시 소수 타베게 소소 타바디 되네지 땜바단 땜바 다 니게기 가주에다 순제 세는 다도 첩세는 다도 다 네인 숨버래 신다 추신다디 추신다 성로 땜바 쳐가르마 땜바 쳐가르마 소소 타베기 다 노디 땜바도 땜바 니가 될 상황에서 다 인도스탄에 이제 에네 상계된 자외 계획 신이 최 땜바다 상계기 때문에 내바다 다든这个 토네 가르수에지 고라 가르수에 자기는 마소네 다데다 가르수에 릭튜밤 찬자와 내지 예배 인도스탄에 교양 말하지 다디나네 현조로 nga이나네 현조 nga바디 현실 닝네 자오 사들이야 티 가시나나리아 데지 현조로 사디 디 현데 과고고에 하금 보마고 데버루치 디베나 신당에 하고면도 디 아주 녜든 드메디 야게 교회 겁리야 녜든 드메 걸 현조 nga바디 숭두산에 지 숭지 디 디셰디 지 교인주산에 다디 고알라 레마시면서 닝니 자와사데 랑 미신다 라바 가르에 세괴라 소베기 짐바타올라 고고여다 미신다 수다 냠네 쟁에도 솔래야 짐바타올라 고고유시랑 고마성게도지 다 데디제 디 주두사 디스 강에르 테소 다 임비네야 녜사가 나노고 디 세브스타 수하레 간데 수하레스니 先些차와네 짐바다 진다 남데 짐바보다 진다 남데 송여베 인도사 인지미 현사데 인지미지 가서 냠냠내 칭게라니 뭐이바 텔레야 지 짐바 칭겐게 에네 짐바보 현시 가사 현시다 짐베다 현시로 고고 임데 고 셉스타르샤 아드린 인도사네 티준센의 때네 조다 유준내가 틀이야 지 최주바보 다지 녜롱라 소바다 다나시 최냠소 랭게데 솔이야 지 제외고네 세괴라 소베 퉁게 지야가 된데게 룩스야 된데게 가서 람스여야 돼 봐. 된데지 고고여입니다.
And so since the Buddha appeared in the world, the Buddha turned the wheel of Dharma, and then since he turned the wheel of Dharma, the teachings of the Buddha have remained without waning. And so in this way we can say that the Buddha is present, or that's one way of representing that. Another way is that the Buddha said that the Pratimoksha Sutra is you could say it's a representative of both the teachings of the Buddha as well as of the teacher himself. It's both the teachings and the teachers. Other Dharma is considered only to be teachings, but not the teacher. But the Pratimoksha Sutra is considered to be both. And so in that way, we can say that it is similar to the Buddha and the Buddha's teachings being present in the world. And so we can consider that that in this respect, the Buddha being present is fulfilled, and so there is no fault here. Now, the fifth of the five qualities that come from outside circumstances is that there must be love and kind support from others. And so here, actually, when we understand this others, then how do we understand this? It's a little bit unclear in the original. When we were translating the Torch of Certainty into Chinese and looking at this, it was unclear. Does the other here refer to being kind and supporting others, or does it refer to others being kind to and supporting ourselves? And so while translating that, we had this difficulty. However, if we look at if we look at the Shravaka, the levels of the Shravaka, then it is very clearly explained in there. What it says there is that other refers to the person who gives, the donors or the sponsors. And so what this means is that it should be understood as the donors or the sponsors or the people who are generous to people who are practicing the Dharma by giving them food and clothing. And so for that reason, in any case, what it means is that in that particular time, place, and situation, there are donors, or there is a custom or a tradition of giving food and clothing and so forth to beggars as well as to Dharma practitioners.
다 여비 말에 다 류덴디네 미리게와 왕보상와 드네 링구 민발라서 다 되게 말에 다 샘데네 아네 가르르지 로다제메 내를 대발라서 다 딘데기 고라 샘데 류심기 데니오데도 상데 예브레 드네 인주산에 다다 딘데지기 베 차겐 상 예비네 텔레야 가와곰 텔레야 조아게 새롭지마 다도야 텐저기 텐토베게 토베 탑다 베즈 타나 면함 주제라 베고이 마레스 근데 베베이나 가데 레게왕게 타고블러서베기 유두 깨베이나야 지리 유이미디야 텐저 미사와이나 Young, that you ever in bed. The name is on the teachings and then Donna. So the Danga to Jicare. Not in every session, I don't know what you the end of chair, didn't I? am the choose to check out the person Chago, you say.
And so for the basis for practicing the Dharma, we both have a physical basis of the body and the mental basis of the mind. And so the physical basis is being born as a human and so forth. The mental basis is having devotion for the teachings, not reverting to evil deeds, and so forth. And so in any case, in these 10 resources, both the physical and the mental ones are complete. And so now at this time when we have these resources, we should rejoice in this, and we need to take delight in this. And we must make efforts and use methods to make sure that in future lives as well, we will also receive such resources. At the very least, we should make a prayer. And even if a prayer to receive them. And even if in a future lifetime, because of the power of karma, we are born in an outlying country or so forth, then even if in general, for most people in that area, there is no opportunity to practice Dharma, then it is possible that that we might have all of the resources. And so we will now take a 30-minute break.
대다라 라신이기 주부다다 되면 저부 부zum 소바다 되면 차오 대다 텐주르 남인 소바다 밀루 름부시이노 지실텔라 름부시 셰차 셰나 이신이 노블 름부시다 최튜버 때 녀버가야나 름부시 차오 펜도체나 름부시 차오 될 녀버가와네 주스메 데넬레
Thus, when one has all 10 qualities, five from oneself and 5 from outside, they are called the excellent endowments. When these two, leisure and endowment, are present, it is called a precious human life. Why is it called precious? It is equal to a precious jewel that grants wishes. It is precious because it is difficult to obtain. It is precious because it is of great benefit.
다 대답이 대견 주주사면 밀류 rumbuche dane rumbuche da chue chung sungbare da telaya zo dene niega da pendo ni gi gwane sungbare dene namgyun da lamring gi ti mangbu nalo le dene tenjur tenji niegas tencha da nieber gawani gwane tenjur nimbolon su sungbayi mi ju sane 다 될래야 가지고디 다들 이제 시행해 드리시.
And so our precious human body with its leisures and resources or endowments is like a jewel. And it is like a jewel because of two reasons. It is difficult to obtain and it is of great benefit. And so usually in most texts on the stages of the path, this is explained in the order of it having great benefit and as being difficult to obtain, and therefore we need to make the most use of it.
다 될래야 밀류 rumbuche 세와디 세와 잠시다 가르주레지 미사메 싱그레스 밀류 rumbuche 세와 잠시다 미사메 싱그레스 이내한테 rumbuche 임비 인루르데 싱겨와 말했어 다 레인주 산다 될래야 데 베틀레 rumbuche 샤브레 rumbuche 나네게 rumbuche 쳐도 주바 이신기 노부 젠더머니 다 때다 최송바래 했습니다. 다 젠더머니 생대 가지고 이렇게 무슨 그 론저저 이렇게 말아봐. 다 배나 rumbuche 도지 팔람도 차샤베이나 도지 팔람디 고라 진다 가르에 텔레임비나고 녀버 가와다. 녀베이나 팔람 당마르지 야고시 녀베이나 다 텔레테네 고라 진다 첨보지 우망마디 선규디 주나는 팔람 진짜 팔람 그 쓰고 같은데 리아 거기 무 여러 사망보 전에 중국 아래 드린주산에 가다 디소를 제시 녀베이나 에너지 당신 뭐이마 나들이 지금 이제 아주 하고 버스 대난 신경 안 아주 텐저기 밀류를 붙인데야 되는 녀버가와 이마다 녀나 된차와 이마 다 대주 삼동거 이마래.
And so we say the precious human body, and we all know how to say precious human body, but we don't understand why it is that it is precious. And so there is an analogy given here, and that is of a jewel. It is like a precious wish-fulfilling jewel. Now, or the chintamani, the wish-fulfilling jewel. Now, this is not something that we can actually find anymore these days. But if we think about a jewel such as a diamond is a very valuable jewel. And one reason is because it is very difficult to obtain it. And if we find a good diamond, then it is extremely valuable. For example, we can hear in the news about a diamond that was recently found that was worth millions of euros. And so if we find one, it is extremely valuable. And so for that reason, we understand that it is of benefit. And similarly, with our precious human body, it is difficult to find, and it is also of great benefit.
Then twin shower somebody, Lela Yoris, never got somebody Galaka Yoris. Then you that twin shower day, Pendo shower, twin shower, ne jigwar bichadi yore. Donaji chur. 타바도 탐지해 버르베기 땜 텐주기 밀루 디 말에 드네 다나 신기 드네지 깨와는 깨와 좀도 마세베 깨와 참에 봐 숨라 쏴발라 초상 라쏴베 이제 까와 자라 투메고는 두게베 상계기 공부한데 니두기自动지를 사난다도 다가다 지 깨와질이야 룸뉴베기 내내베 상가 도지티베기 댄쇼도 규반데 감총된기 되네 컴주 댐베기 나지단 지단 되베기 된 되베 나네가 미데 데 깨버도 봐봐 인소들이 인주산 디준세 되는다 나란주 semje thamje ye thön da di gyunse dene milur busine pendo chawa thön chawa yesu
Of these two, it is said that being of great benefit is easy to understand. Being difficult to obtain is harder for us to understand. So when we say that it is of great benefit or it is of great meaning, these really come down to the same thing. The support for us to practice the Dharma and to achieve liberation in omniscience is this human body with its leisures and its resources. And similarly, when we have a human body, we can, without having to spend 3 innumerable eons undergoing difficulties to practice the Buddhahood, we can, in a single body, with this human body that is a support for the practice of the secret mantra, we can achieve Buddhahood. If we have all of the 6 faculties, then among all of the different bodily supports, we could have and so in this way, our human body has great meaning for ourselves. It has great meaning for ourselves, and it also has great meaning for all other sentient beings. And so in this way, we can see that this human body is of great benefit and of great meaning.
아니 예 가와 숨주디 간지를 수비나 예 가와 숨주텔이야 삼당 넘버 2 니기 춘도지 용디야래 달라 당보대양 나라주 코아 토마 매바니 뇽모 그 왕도 송하다 뇽모 바 왕도 송하는 데네 레 넘버 나서지 사야레스 다 레 넘버 나서 사야 인디사 레 상월로 베나지 레 컨디지 쉐베이네야 아다데 나 다디 망마신지 다 가다 다 렌정 로단테서 삼 땅에 뉴스안에 오늘은 알아도 다리 닌데지기다 밀류 좀 뭐지 토야디 밀류 토야도 갈 때인데 토고 그러잖아 되네 개와산 토고 아래 개와태야 조다 원되균 수림 내심에 소반하시 수림 나름마도 매윈다 수림 소반 되네 토고 아래 아드레 인두스라는 안수 샘디 완도 손주 녀모바 시육칠루 녀모발 곰룩 텔라데나 다시 코아통 다다바도 개와네 주바네 체뉴 미게와 주바네 시누마와데 인두스라네 다 딘데지기 다리 베 밀루 토반데양 오늘네 가르슈라다 에지 더블릭 대왕상마다 간다 람루르 요세 토바지레 마도 베게 나랑기 다데게 섭다상마로 다데게 뇨모베 나랑기 삼주 삼로 동당다 주주 될 때나 닌데베 텐저기 밀루지 토야디 갈라 가보레도 상바르지 다들이지 토네 다 렌데기 로당 렌데기 니즈르 시네 아니 텐저니 바가와이 무슨 주지 온데기 유스레
Now, how should we think about it being difficult to obtain? There are two different ways we can consider this. The first is we can think about how, since beginningless samsara, our minds have been overcome with the afflictions. Because we're overcome from the afflictions, we've accumulated various sorts of karma. When we think about the way karma or actions and results works, then we need to think about, well, what is it, on what basis do we attain such a human body as this? Well, it is because of accumulating virtuous actions. But when we look at it, primarily it is, as it said, the primary virtue is maintaining moral discipline. And so even if we do a single virtuous thing, it really depends upon us maintaining, it really comes down to ethical discipline. But yet, when we look at the continuum of our minds and the stream of our minds, we can see that we have very few virtuous thoughts, and yet our unvirtues are myriad. And so, in that way, when we think about it in this way, it seems like this human body is something that we have just achieved really through coincidence. When we look at the way we view ourselves and the afflictions that we have, that we would see that it's actually very difficult for us to have achieved the human body. And so for that way, looking at the situation of karma, cause and effect, is one way to consider the difficulty of obtaining a precious human body.
사람도 니와데 간데 사람 반다르 소소리야 소수기 다 소소르니 이거는 이제 사람다베미네요. 다다센델레다 밀루지 토베 기즈레 이나안드네 치외 워도스 다 소소 디가르 세페웨 워도 룸바 간데지레 게레 다나 신기 류덴 간데지 랭게레 삼베게 드지 랭게레 삼베게 딩당 딩스르게 어마나스 가요 만 드지 지그레 사 딩스르 가요 어마나스 드네 인주사나 다나 신기 녜손솜라 사베게 드네 인주사네 밀류 네 개와 제마다라 밀류직다 토고레 상하게 드네지기 녜바신기 딩수지 매빔 드네 인주 딜레데네 아는 아주 녜버가와 이마 삼동고레스 아주 딩세지 잔메 야마다 밀류지 토고레 상 딩수에 가야 야마스 드네지기 토하나다 밀류사데 오늘 이 다가 간적 베지 자와 첨부지 임바지당 갈 첨부 녀버가와 임바지 드네지 임바지기 오라 삼동과데 계심을 해서
Second way of thinking about it is if we were to think of our own selves. Right now, we have attained a human body, but what country will we be born in after we die? After we die, what sort of a body will we get? If we think about this, we can have no confidence at all. We can have no certainty in any way. And so there's no way that we can be 100% certain that I'm going to get this sort of a human body again in the future. We also don't even have any confidence that that the misdeeds we have done will not lead us to be reborn in one of the three lower realms. And so in this way, there's no certainty that we can say, oh, I'm definitely going to be born with a human body in my next life. And so in this way, we can look and we can see that it's difficult to attain. We have no confidence, no basis for thinking that we're definitely going to achieve a human body in the next life. And so it's not like the human body is just something you can get anywhere, that you can just get any time, or that you can that will come to you at any time. And so in this way, it is important for us to think about how sacred and how important, how difficult to obtain this human body is.
나드네 인주산에 와디 나디 마셔서 다유 제가 녀버가와는 주스메 되네래 미규르바는 가와도 미소토바 가와야 담배쳐도 가와도 상계조원 가와야 시송바다 니지 빼먹가면 돌래게 미규어는 녀버가 다 없음서바 녀버가 상계지된 조원 녀버가 담배쳐는 뒤바 녀버가 야한 답이 면하면 녀버가 와라서 시송바다 파바 동북에변 돌래게 미콤바 겔 도바 녀버가 미르규바야 녀버가 다 없음서바 넘버 타바야 녀버가 상계조원 녀버가 원부 마상원이 매바야 마상 내가 녀버가 상계 최 녀바야 녀버가 기부 담바단 줘봐야 녀버가 양답에 개회 신년 남자 녀버가 양답에 수제수 때문에 녀버 줘봐야 녀버가 양답에 소야 녀버가 민지되나 최대 제수 튼배 최는데 제가 녀버가 शे송하다 전주선배 줘봐는 줘봐래 대전되는 신도 녀버가 शे송소 대라 대한 빼치들 녀버가 강사 관계 녀버 지지 녀버잖아 정말에 디니시는 좀 된지 야소 주의다 미니신도 토거송 제수마 이게도 사성분이 춤바시도 줄라 대 미지기 녀신 부가 지부와시 바로 롱기 초시 초 대라 루베샤로 동라도만 토바시 제자와라서 순서 간사는 게 소소도 개발은 이해버가 이노 대규 유견지 증여만 대주 류니 유개와 사바를 타바이는 예수소도 개변 개벨에 미소 소 미시버 따도 디번 바시리 제베시로 되는 예수소도 예사바시 녀바이노스 오케이
To read the Bodhisattva basket says, it is rare to be a human, it is rare to keep a human life, it is rare to find the holy Dharma teachings, and it is also rare for a Buddha to appear. The White Lotus of Great Compassion Sutra says, it is difficult to find human birth, it is hard to achieve the excellent freedom to appear on this earth. It is difficult also to find devoted interest in the Dharma. It is difficult also to have perfect aspiration. From the planting the noble stalks, it is difficult to find a human birth. It is difficult to find the perfect leisure. It is also difficult to find the appearance of a Buddha. It is difficult also to find persons with all the senses. It is difficult also to hear the Dharma teaching of a Buddha. It is difficult also to attend precious holy beings. It is difficult also to find authentic spiritual masters. It is difficult also to fully practice that which is taught in the perfect teachings. It is difficult also to have a right livelihood. It is difficult also to find persons who make effort in the human realm according to the Dharma. Engaging in the conduct of the Bodhisattvas says, leisure and endowments are very hard to find. What kind of an example can there be of how difficult it is to find a precious human life? What kind of being has difficult finding one? Why is it difficult to find? An example is mentioned in engaging the conduct of bodhisattvas. For these reasons, the Buddha has said that hard as it is for a turtle to insert its neck into a yoke that is adrift upon the vast ocean, it is extremely hard to attain the human state. This is explained by the Buddha in the sutras. Suppose this whole earth were an ocean and a person threw a yoke that had only one hole. The yoke would float back and forth on all the four directions. Underneath that ocean there is a blind tortoise who lives many hundreds of thousands of years, but who comes up above the surface only once every 100 years. It would be very difficult for this tortoise's head to meet with the yoke's hold, yet still it is possible. To be born in a precious human life is much more difficult. What kind of being has difficulty finding precious human life? Beings who are born in the three lower realms. Precious human life difficult to find. This body of leisure and endowments is gained through the accumulation of virtuous deeds, and those who are born in the three lower realms do not know how to accumulate virtue. Rather, they constantly commit evil deeds. Therefore, only those born in the three lower realms with a very small amount of negative karma, and whose karma could ripen in another lifetime, are the ones who have the opportunity to be born in a human life.
맞으면 뉴스인데야디 가서에 가서나 녀신기 빼 다디 수마 가려서나 도지그날이야 빼니 도데 가라칸 도지그날이야 빼 가르스도 알았으나 아니 융가르다지 난가래야 떠르네 Yungar the Masal by Nuzan Cup with Zemolia, Yungar Hazadi, Cup with Zemolia, Yungar Zomarveta Tares Nangare Yungar Kabjizum those Chadena, Kabjizum Digar, Yungar Paya, the Kalakavshuji Chadi or that is a tea bears or Takandra. Kalakava Shuji insta, Pego, never cover Sadre, Pego, never goes to Mamusumre.
And so this example given of a yoke floating on the ocean is the one that we usually give. But there are other examples or analogies we can use. One that is given in a sutra is that if we were to throw a single mustard seed, white mustard seed in the sky, what is the tip of a needle? And so we can think that it would be very hard to just throw a single mustard seed in the sky and for it to fall and stick on the tip of a needle. And so similarly, with that example, it is very difficult to achieve a human life. And so these are different analogies, and this is the way of discussing the difficulty to obtain through analogies.
대주기를 온도당에 일주일 또선 유바에 기부시 자와 이노스 다들 가서 쉬면은 감들이야 미사데 드네 까바니 살을 주네 드네 가서 라나 라예바 미게 샤야 좀시기 감들이야 미고 미셔봐 소머베 감들 Nube chane, shane. Loi nube chijung sanan da. That is loi nube chijung ki kon shawi nusane, da ko mise ko yuare. Tea nubaram ding sumyebe, kiwayara di sumyebe inos. Tan delea Chijana Yigi Chedi Usre. Nubaram ding tasums la wali ba. Sumniti Nan Ramjing Yimado Majibi Industane. Tade Ches Visare Samsaravici. Nubaram ding tasum, Kiwayaram ding tasum yeva inos. Bazelana that the derrisment of Samsara.
Of great benefit, engaging in the conduct of the Bodhisattva says, and since they accomplish what is meaningful for humans. In Sanskrit, human is purusha, which translates as capacity or ability. Hence, a human life with the qualities of leisure and endowments provides the capacity or ability to attain either the temporary high realms or definite goodness. Therefore, it is called purusha or human. And so here, this is as I was saying yesterday, being human doesn't mean being a biped and being able to stick your 2 feet on the ground, get up and walk someplace. That is not what we mean by human here. In this context, what we mean by human is primarily the capacity of your mind. And because there are different degrees of capacity of the mind, then we say that there are different degrees or different types of people. As it says here, furthermore, there are 3 different types of ability, the inferior, mediocre, and superior. And so here it says there are 3 different types of people. And in this sentence in Tibetan, there is one word missing. The word inferior is missing in Tibetan, so it is present in this translation. And it seems that that word should probably be there. It does say that there are 3 types, but it only reads the middling and the superior. So it should be all 3, inferior, middling, and superior.
There to love you dream and give us the show, give us some the give children the show, give us some the share song. There, give us children running and son to me door. Let me tell you, never ever in a theatre. Can't you tell the Kanda Koya de was some Karani to the Nesi? Yes, I have a given in Taman songs to any quality. She did combat of the Never daughter near. 可是让西藏的基本点能真是这些送说，这送说基本上了，甚至给这三个头的牛排也为人，太大了呀，人一到不东西，看是先一东西，个样大是不可能基本点的超越那些送说，俺看到不超，那边真的很明显那个，看是他们各位家族他的成就上个三边给啊，对不起，以前农委给人的钱那边，俺们他的人民的人民党。 可定是面积的多些面些送的，天主的概念不清楚，给了专业上多年不一样。
As it says in the lamp for the path to enlightenment, one should understand that there are 3 different types of people. An inferior person has the ability to attain a human or God realm without falling into the lower realms. It is said, one who makes effort by any means to achieve the pleasures of samsara for his own benefit is called the inferior person. A middling person has the ability to attain the state of peace and happiness by freeing themselves from samsara. It is said, one who turns his back on the pleasures of samsara and abstains from non-virtuous deeds, but who is interested only in peace for themselves, this is called a middling person. A superior person has the ability to attain Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings. It is said, by seeing the suffering within one's own mind stream, one yearns to completely exhaust the suffering of others. This is called the Supreme Person. Furthermore, Acharya Chandragomin said, how great are its beneficial effects. By attaining this precious human life, one can become free from the ocean of rebirth and also sow the seed of supreme enlightenment. This very human life has greater qualities than the wish-fulfilling jewel, so how could one not gain its fruit? The path through which humans can gain great strength of mind cannot be attained by gods or nagas, not by demigods, garudas, vidyaras, kinnaras, or urakas. This human body, which possesses leisure and endowments, has the capacity to avoid all the non-virtuous and accomplish all the virtues. It has the ability to cross the ocean of samsara, it has the ability to proceed on the path of enlightenment, and it has the capacity to attain perfect enlightenment.
Robin Center Kumigi Long Tanam de Lubding Lobe Loma Ting Betty says or dig long in Bata. Tinan Loma Ting Big Ting Tinite and Jabba Jande. Then don't want them but check your jeans at you. Didn't dinner mean those chess. Deshi lamden ronde ba che yu jing khasal lamden ha dan lui mini lami dan che da ga da tsigan ji che dos de ne song do che za de yang de da guan yin bu cha.
Here there is the citation from Acharya Chandragomin, and this comes from his letter to a disciple. And in the letter to this disciple, there to this, and these have an additional line that is not in the jewel ornament.
Tene miki wa pong nu ba gewa drup nu ba sa de zo kiu chung yu nu ba zor de kowe ja zo le ge nu ba sa de kiu jing nu ba de ngo men no tene chang ju ge la no de nu ba zo ba sang ge top nu ba sa de kiu chim be ge nu ba de ngo yu sre ding yu da ta de ngo yu ding yu da.
So here, saying that the precious human life has the ability to avoid all the non-virtues and accomplish the virtues indicates the capacity of the lesser individuals. Saying it has the ability to cross the ocean of samsara indicates the abilities of the middling individuals. And saying that it has the ability to proceed on the path of enlightenment and it has the capacity to attain perfect enlightenment indicates the capacities of the greater individuals.
Da tele yang azu inji kele responsibilities ya rude da ngen kur da tinde je ga thona de shi ngen kur gu nyuba chi jung sa ma tele yang azu di tambe shi be ba ka ba ma ro di ju na lo le ya ene ji ki bu sum sa ma ro da tele ya ti ba chi jung ti ba sum gi ki bu de zu re shin do de ka ju sim je le pe le de ra da de ka re ra yu na me na Rada didn't care the langboche that didn't le pelene. But a langboche kurn of jor, langboche, Japkes or langboche kurtuya and jigor of the Rada dizukito mares. This or come delia, gain kurtumitu. Chanju samba, take what somebody gain chabushiki. Rani, Kwa 동의 기술을 저어서도 마세베 신심제 탐제기야 kwa 동의 기술을 저 겐치 보십시 키디요. 이나데 미참에 딘데 겐키도 말어. 제사 긴구르 니베치죠. 딘데 세연도사는 신의 가서로 지 초안을 내야도. 맞아 남지 지 티베침으로 지 인동도지 되대요. 마도 문내 전에 지 딱지시에는 수수 심규 지 다용두. 딘데 긴구르 니베진 도다미노. Kala khagore drain ju sane di karshura de da xing jie ne da su su lo ye ge nu ba lo ye ge nu chu se ne de ge zi le do da zhe che gui ma ma dao ji gi da gan da ji su su ji ti ba chi bi chue nyam si leng ge ye bi ge zhe yin di to ne ngana ji ti ba chi mo ru ji da kala khan sam ru ji yin sa sa ru de chen de ba di ji we pass game no
And so when we talk about the three different types of people, this is like the capacity or the ability of our mind. And so the English word responsibility, being able to bear or shoulder responsibilities, is apt here. It is a good word. There's an example that illustrates this that comes from the Sutra of the White Lotus, where it talks about the three different individuals in terms of the three different vehicles of the different individuals. And so it uses different animals as an example for this. And the examples it uses are a goat and an elephant. And so when you have goats and elephants, an elephant is able to carry a very large, a huge and very heavy, weighty load. And there's no way that a goat would be able to carry the same load that an elephant can. There is no way that a goat would be able to bear the elephant there's no way for a goat to bear the load that an elephant could also carry. And so in the same way, a Bodhisattva has a huge responsibility. Not only do they take responsibility to free their own selves from the ocean of samsara, they also bear the huge responsibility of freeing all other sentient beings from the ocean of samsara as well. And this is not a responsibility that everyone can shoulder. And so we need to look at ourselves. We need to examine whether we're able to bear this responsibility. Normally, we assume that we are Mahayana practitioners, and yet when we really look at our minds, do we actually have the ability to shoulder such a huge responsibility? It would be difficult for us to do that. And so we need to examine and analyze the capacity in the mind. What sort of a load are we actually able to carry? And so just assuming that because we are practicing Mahayana Dharma, that therefore we are, I am a Mahayana person, that alone does not help.
Ya labar gyuwa yino, te tar na tenchur ki milu di nyebar ka pendo che wari buchi shao, te da nyebar ka pendo che jikbar shindo la di tseso la suen dem geni me, kiwi geni ma, duki ji ma ni midu bichiru, te dara na chanchu bichi wabala chukwa te rin kwa na michi dewar do bari ma yin, daa ni mebar kiwi di ten dumi sawan ju she, sung so, te na nyebar ka tsuya tam, jikbar la tsuya tam, pendo che su te dara labi, lu le chuyin ju shi sha, kawe gezu li ji ju che goyo so, te dara yang mi chura tenen, 동네 초세를 준데 친이가 뭐버티 수니 말이야 송소 류라 wakden 주시 샤라 코아 동에 게타는 지더라 대더라 밀류 장매 다신 코에 동네 창을 주시 송소 류라 요긴 주시 샤라 개vel을 거서 대더라나 묘적으로 거와 전이 주시 송소
Therefore, it is far superior to gods, nagas, and so forth. It is far superior to the wish-fulfilling jewel. Since this human life which possesses leisures and endowments is difficult to find and has great beneficial effects, it is called precious. Even though it is difficult to find and has great benefit, it is very easy to lose. There is no one who can prolong life. There are many causes of death, and each moment passes in an instant. Engaging in the conduct of bodhisattvas says, "It is inappropriate to enjoy myself thinking that today I alone shall not die, for inevitably the time will come when I shall become nothing. Therefore contemplate how difficult this precious human life is to obtain, how easy it is to lose, and how great its beneficial effects are. Think of this body as a boat, and therefore make as much effort as possible to cross the ocean of samsara." Thus, engaging in the conduct of bodhisattvas says, "Relying on the boat of a human body, free yourself from the great river of pain. As it is hard to find this boat again, there is no time for sleep, you fool. Think of this body as a horse and use it to ride from the precipice of samsaric suffering." It is said, "Riding on the horse of the pure human body, escape the dangerous precipice of suffering in samsara. Or think of this body as a servant and let it work on virtue. Thus it is said, this body of all humans is subject to be a servant of virtue."
다 대배 거디 버지 다 드린 공다지 시나 가장 공다디 니 추든디 저규모중으로 다데 고모먼수샤 다 드린 공다 버지 직사레 삼사로스도 드린 뉴스안에 드린 공다 치료샤랴 대배 거디 쉬네 엔 대줄 때 밀류리지 거디 드린 슈츠 주바로 된지 체시투스예스.
Now, this afternoon, we will talk about the topic of faith. So yesterday afternoon, we were not able to have the Dharma session, and I'd like to beg your pardon for that. But I think that it should be fine to have the Dharma session this afternoon. And so in the afternoon session, we will talk about the topic of faith. And with that, we will complete the discussion of the precious human body with its pleasures and resources.
다 될래야 다다 건도 주변에 신 알아서 다다디 가루에 밀류림 붙이 다 밀류 된지 답도 될 밀류들 포 먹기서 가면도 와다 밀류 답도 저거다 대견 주주나는 먹기서 포다 먹게 풀이 토고에 잘라면도 와 들린 주산에 아니디 가서래 다 된지 대견 주주삼이 밀류된 안서 포모야면 참으로야도 토요아래 다 토비에 있는 데 배주야고 스탄체 좋아 되네 뭐 미지 아주 사결리시나 예번에 나시네 미지고 전대 자좀 전대 주인이 뭐 자좀 버지디 종가도 산에 수직이 되네 전대 주인이 뭐디 하마고도 용계를 말하랬어 다 그거 저버지 다 된대 맞았어 전대 주인이 뭐 산다 용 말았다 될래봐 전대고 솔라스지 솔라 종상나 솔라시 라나데 고 솔라시 미마버진 고수에 인두산 엔디 솔라디 종샤레스 어다 디서르지데 간다르 진제벽에 텐주 텐진이가디 추수주마로 되메도 마소 따가는데 배주야 뭐스탄지 텔라 때네 딜라 때네 텐초도 주버지 주토버지다 다 간다르 지부초도 주버지 되지 사도 제하고하데 톱도 제하고하데 개좀심 차대요.
And as I have said before, we have this precious human body. And when we say that it is a precious human body, then that doesn't say that it's a precious male human body or precious man's body or precious women's body. There's no difference between the two. There's no distinction whether you have a male body or a female body. It is all a precious human body. And so now that at this time that we have achieved a precious human body, it is important that we use it well. It's like the anecdote about a person who has some snake heart sandalwood, the most expensive, best type of sandalwood, and he wanted to sell it. And so he brought it out to try to sell it to all sorts of people, saying, "Hey, I've got some snake heart sandalwood to sell." And yet, no one knew what it was, and so no one bought it at all. And so then he was speaking with someone, and that person said, "Well, no one knows what snake heart sandalwood is. You should just burn it, make it into charcoal, and then sell the charcoal, and lots of people will buy your charcoal." And so he did that. He made it into charcoal, and then he sold the wood. He sold it as charcoal. And so in any case, we have this precious human body, and it is something that can accomplish a great meaning, a great significance for us. It's not something that we should let go to waste and that we should not make use of. We need to use it as well as possible. And if we do that, we need to make sure that we are able to use it to bring ourselves the greatest benefit, the greatest significance, and the greatest result.
대라 사기 준비된 내기 되네 가르래 개베 때라 다 되는 숨다 라바 숨라 소베기 때마 연수 소바를 죄도여 난신기 분명히 되려야 되나 대다도 죄베다 고급 세난장도 톱단으로디 나야래 엔드린 주산에 다 되려야 가르래 마시야 톱단사디 찌디 삼삼지 괜찮아지 도디 톱단사디 가라사나 톱단세 인두산 삼삼 베나 미잔지 다 바바 아마르 시자나 다 디기 파노르마노르 디들이야 다 곱샤도 두산 다 들이야 나란디고 콜란디고 사르지 드리지 저바셔 되베서시 이내양에 남주 가르서서나 톱단을 지지는 외법 외수 봐봐 나도 들이야 톱단을 써야 되지 나솔이야 가르서에 외법 매버지 외시 마산밤 지 외탕 매버지 드리지 고스고 말해 이내 나솔 강 외신 참바 구주지 고스가 마도베게 미그바 마외바지 나솔 고스 제제 기적이야 말해 대양이 우마 쉬운 우마 팀와불로 뉴예 분명히 다 도단된 로미 도단으로 차대도스 가래서나 다 간다라 지 분명히 디도된 로미 디도를 쳐가 말마다 쳐야라 마다 베기 에네다지 분명히 게르게 가서 디도서 처음인도스 다 간다 분명히 디도디 삼타임도스네 아주 증거세 되게 토네 셰트야 뉴셰 뉴산 디균전 때네 땅 아주를 외신 참바 가리임바데 아주 주고래 데 주버들이야 아주 지금 뭐 사과다 뽑아숑과다 다가는 신기 짜고야게 민도 레드 사기 좀 된데기 아주를 외신 참바 쓰는 장도 아주 지 분명히 된래야 지 가수에 담배 취주베데 개바 유야밤 이제 고급 유야바 세네 고마 취주베기 고급 담세 나유비 인두산에 다 딘데 그 외신 참배기 내단도 아주기 죄련 제고래라 죄련 제원의 신기 아주 주고래 데 뭐주나 땅 아주기 가수에다捐체럽지다 현체럽지 지루기 넘버를 차대요래 디준세 되네 사면 개발도 돼 가수에 분명히 되라 상기 때문에 냠네 지점시에비네 다 담지 냠술 내고 하되 계심 쉽지래 삼정기
It is important to remember that just as the Bhagavan Buddha gave men the ability and the opportunity to practice the teachings of the three baskets and of the three trainings, he also gave the same opportunity and the same right to those who have a female body. And so sometimes actually when we say the word rights, it's kind of a strange word. And we say rights, it's like there is a family where both the father and the mother have died and the children are all squabbling over the inheritance. But if we think about it, a right really means something that we're worthy of, something that's respectful, that is appropriate and right. And so we should not understand rights as being things that are inappropriate, that are not correct for the situation. So really, it's what is appropriate, that and what is needed. That is what we need. We don't need things that are not appropriate for ourselves or that are not helpful for ourselves. It's like I have read many times. It's people talk about women's rights as really being an issue of human rights. And the reason for this is that women's right is a question of bringing happiness to humans in general. It is not a question of just bringing happiness to individual women. And so this is something that we can, this is a very clear situation that we can see. And so when there are things that are appropriate for us and worthy for us, then we need to practice them, we need to do them. And so there is no reason for us at all to be at all discouraged or to be embarrassed or to be afraid or apprehensive of doing them. And so the Buddha has given us this opportunity that on the support of a female body, you have the fortune, you have the ability to practice the Dharma. He has given this opportunity to all of us, and it is something that is appropriate, something that is right for us. And so if we were to not accept it and not take up and make something of that opportunity, then that would be nothing other than just self-deprecation or a type of laziness. And so in this way, it is important for us to remember that it is appropriate and beneficial for women to be able to do all of these same practices.
다 부메라도 중앙에 때네 상계 때문에 롱압전 림수레사 그죠. 계절직다. 아직 시에되었다. 다 되기 되네 때즈지 가서에 다 고대즈 심지어로 차러다. 부메라도 중앙에 때네 상계 때문에 롱압전 림수레사 계절디 디 심지어 차러. 다 이내 우유 니수도라 컨트레도 면도 다시 제거하지 니수지래. 갑디도 상계 셰슈베 네골이야. 디두산다 장알. 갑디도 산 수균이 다와 차고여야 돼. 근데지 딱하다 르르레 다나신 포명이 야 첨부여야 돼. 근데지 지소지래. 근데지 지소 나눠래야. 상계기 부메라 라도 중앙에서 진제기 고급돼야 되나? 초진다 다 베가서 이제 미시베 다 고급으로 지게 근데지 차대요 알아요 다 상계라 다 강해요 알다 hiện 다 상계를 강해요 알아서도 지 괜찮아도 또 가다디 다 이내야 다 상계라 강해요 알아 가르잖아 야데 지조디나 장물로 제 따와 근데 차고 예배 인주사 상계를 강해요 인주산 람산지 상계기 부메리아 되네 라우드 중앙에서 도마 그래서 람산낭샤나 처진이 지도 뜻주디 괜찮을까 처진이 네 부메디서야 코란 소레다 지금 오늘 다 망아줄로 자니 톱주메 봐지 근데 고급지 톱송 삼바로 근데 지기 꼰빈 두시에르데 게다 갈아가버시다 람산 레레라버지 톱르드스탄 지 가르소에 꼰빈 두시 끼긴 디긴다 시다메 되는 찬고 네 디규젤 때네 에네 레 투메 봐도 레 투 머메 레 투는지 소왔답네 셰기 마셰 안 타마르 주사네 되네 군거유기 소왔답 군거유 소왔답드스탄 녜는 주 녜 와시버드스예 군거유기 줌젠데 줌제치 뭐스타르샤 다 줌제 망고 시에야 다 줌제 찍디 응연기 상계베 의송나서 그래서 코로나바시 도와스 제가 안에 게는데 코로나바시 데 고고로 와서 안 오지 김제지데 다다디 라우드 중기 라우드 초 소아 땅갱이 다 조디 기구담데 상기 좀 된데 다 마섭세네 다도 상기 좀 된데 총사 로 유다지 제레 상기 юм대사로 디젤 코란 소경 챙겨는데 기구담 좀 충어디 자리가래 개버세상 좀 충어디 제가 다 기구담은 인주산다 교랑 거든지 보십시오 다 다다디 기구담에 쉬어텐데 교랑 거 될라더니 베 드거 마레스 용거 마레스라나 컨데스티 거딘디 가르소에 거딘 릭소르디 컨데스요 다 제발 제시민도스 다 게도 근데 지 김세인지 시두산에 다야 슈두산에 다 상기기 디 김세인지 다 상계래데 그래 미세 다 저지네 상계라 들지 구우스 갑디두산데 김세인지 시행인지 근데 지 충분히나 ene sange ma nang ba ine ya one ji kasu mizu de bi ine ya o da sange na ba de one tne gyumzen do aso sa ma da gas gyumzen de service da me ji sange ma na sha na ene mizu de sange mizi guje la da mizi guje 마시는 우만 라요리 똑인 바가 되주나 다 상계된 가르쳐 되어서 무디베 되주라고 샤사되어 상계 년도도 샤사어 샤사 초거래스 넘순 답이 샤사되어 애는 부면 제마만 못 거기 건데 가라선데 그디 geloma da rabjung de disangor 마치 개별 주모 이제 제마만 못 거기 건데 대대들이 고 망고지 랍시스로 다진이 그거 된지지 야 쉬벨 때네 에 상게마 난다데오 다 딩산지 소들 망고도 아 지년에 지디 만난도原来 当然 될래 야지 슝겐도 지 배랑 아주 참섬지 레 내든 침부터들이야 만나요 이게 니슈를 주피세 니슈디 야편 드네 야 마진 난 야들이 로스요 다 디솔브체네 나머지래 이내 텔라 때네 상게 쿠란 가르수 알았잖아 때번 어떤 뜻이
Now, perhaps many of you have heard the saying that that when women were given the vows, that it decreased the length of time that the Buddha's teachings would remain in the world by 500 years. And so this has been said. And when you hear things like this, it can be discouraging to hear people such things. You hear that by giving us the vows, then the teachings are remaining 500 less years. But we actually need to think about the situation in the society at the time that the Buddha lived. For India at that time had a very strong traditional customs, and there was a strong separation of the sexes in the society. And so from one respect, if the Buddha were to have immediately given the vows, then from the one aspect, of course, it is a tremendous opportunity that he would have given it. And yet on another aspect, women would not have realized how difficult it is to become monastic. And they would have said, oh, all we had to do is just ask and we got it, and it was fine and it was easy. And so in that time, because there was a very rigid societal view of women, if the Buddha had given the monastic vows to women immediately, then the society would have had a very difficult view of the Buddha. And also women would not have had such a view about how necessary and how difficult it is to get the vows of monastic. They would have thought to themselves, oh, we got it easily, it's no problem, just get it whenever you want. But instead, women had to request 6 times for the Buddha to give them the vows. Finally, it was upon the request of Ananda. And so often when I talk with my acquaintances about this, it's like there are some reasons why that Ananda gave for the Buddha why he should give the vows. The first of these reasons is that in the time of the previous Buddha, Kashyapa, there were all 4 communities, the bhikkhus, bhikkhunis, the male and the female lay preceptors. And so that is the first reason, so we should also have the 4 communities now. The second reason is that the person who was primarily requesting to go forth and become a nun was the Buddha's stepmother, Mahaprajapati. So she was the stepmother. She was the one who raised the Buddha from the time his mother died when he was 7 days old. From then on, it was her. She was the junior queen of King Shuddhodana, and she was the one who raised the Buddha. So Mahaprajapati was very kind to the Buddha, and to say to her, it's not okay for you, it just won't work out for you to take the vows, in a way it would be not responding appropriately, not appreciating the kindness that she had. And so for this reason, the Buddha then agreed to give the vows, but when he agreed to give the vows, it's like people in that society could say it's not just that the Buddha gave them lightly. He had reasons to give the vow, and they could say there are reasons why he did it because of the rigid society in which they lived. If people had thought, oh, there's no reason why the Buddha did it, then they really would have criticized the Buddha for giving the vows. For example, later in a text by Baba Viveka, the blazing intellect, the Tote Barwa. In that, there's a description of how some non-Buddhists were criticizing the Buddha over this issue, over various issues. One of them is that they said, oh, the Buddha and his disciples eat meat. Because they eat meat, they're not pure. So this is one criticism they made. And the other criticism that they made is that the Buddha and the bhikshus all went around accompanied by a retinue of beautiful women. And what they meant by saying that is that they were accompanied by the Bhikshuni Sangha, and there were many queens and other beautiful women who became bhikshunis and who accompanied the Buddha. And so if he had given the vows without any reason, he would have opened the Sangha up for that sort of criticism. And so by Ananda asking the Buddha to do this, he did not have to worry about saying that there is a reason. This is also something we can see in the present day as well. Sometimes there's someone who has something to give and they want to give it, but you need to ask them to get it. They're ready to give it to you, but you still need to submit the formal letter of request, and then only then are they actually able to give it to you. And so it is similar in this instance.
Tempan jig dugre saji sevaji do na shara de tempan jig sore saji de sevaji shara me sange pen khashi sun yare ta nyenga yare na di bumera chung nyenga di yo de nyenga yeba di dos pa chwa chevina ta kyan zuma solo ngoga xia che de mata ta yang ge dos pa chwa chi du sane di gyumzen di pume la den denpa nyam sa de mayimba di gyumzen di jizol dene jizol tol ya pume de zu kenza jo kapdi du san sangi gi rabdu chungye gi geba de sur khalas junjung serbuji yin ju tamsya la ya de gebo de zu be kushepche rik thombo da gebo da de zu kushepche da pume ji ge sha leyo na 다 남주고로 지도 통단데 딜 구십체서 다 디디스 괜찮아 저다 그래서 디 배랑 하나도 지기더니 안에 질 차서서 깔아가버다 네 딜이 디소르다 지도는 따당하러 봐 딜이 디즈디 구십디 총종스 다 구십 총종과 디 김선대 가라 지도는 따당디 다디 지속 내려는 차려로 지속 내려는 차려 지속난데 따당한 디스 구접들 디스 총으로지 니구로 디스 지디 총으로 아닌가 갑디 진짜 이나야 상계기 근데 예비나야 간다르 상계기 나가래 다디 대야 진짜기 네바디즈 고아 체도 지위주의 캐래 그걸라 속다들 수어로 봐다 간다 상계 나가자 tempan jinruguyena kora sangi korang taje share kare inamine ta tempan jinruguyena ta tempan jinruguye sabchi yomana da dinibje jidang duye nangi tembe nese de lotongha jigma da yomare lotongha ji chinsare ine sangi tempan ne de yare ta gyumse dinibje ta de düzürü chebimina 오늘 지속가 내다 요 친사래 되지 가르쳐 보면다 라버도 주마트 소리야 약부 채나 지속가 난가 따당 야로 줘 아다 약부 채서서 되게 두줄래야 야래 되게 상계 때문에 롱아자 봐 싱루레스 라나 아버지 한바 미시완로 다들 내주지 내가 차대 예비 인두산에 다들 조조디 지 상계 근데 도반제과 근데 그런 통나 가나과 윤선의 조의 지조나 따당디 대지야 용 말해서지 근데 지 고마시로 다른 인도스탄에 디규제데 근데지 대한 삼동과데 계속 차디가
Nor is it so clear if we look at the teachings that the Buddha ever said that this would destroy the teachings of the Buddha. When we look at the text, we see that in some spots he gave some examples in talking about how there is a danger about this. So there is a danger that if women are given the teachings, that it would be difficult for the teachings to remain. So these are just examples that are given, and this is not something to get to think about. This is not something to get upset about. Rather, this is something that we need to examine this. And so here, to explain what is meant by the examples given the Buddha is that at that time, the Buddha was not criticizing women in that. Actually, in that time, it was because of the society in which they lived. In that sort of a society, it would have been difficult. It was difficult to have women in roles where they should receive respect. The reason is that many of the Buddha's disciples were kings and high caste people and so forth. People who would have had, in that particular situation, those men would have had difficulty paying respects to women because of the societal views in which they lived. And so this would have given a difficult situation for the women. So it is a question of the society that they're in that when the Buddha, if he were to give it easily, then then the society would receive less respect and less honor. And so the reason for this is because of the rigid societal views. And so at that time, if the Buddha had immediately given them, then at that point it did, because of the societal views, make a difference in that. But in any case, this is a danger that the Buddha considered, and he decided anyways to give the vows. There's no more question about this. There's no question of it destroying the teachings anymore, because the Buddha gave the vows. He allowed it to happen. In fact, actually, when you talk about the Buddha, that the teachings remaining 500 years, or remaining 500 fewer years, according to the Vinaya literature, actually the Buddha only said that the teachings would remain 1,000 years, and so we've passed that mark by many years already, and so this is no longer an issue. Also, we can see that our contemporary society has changed, and here, if we give women and nuns the opportunity, and they take and use that opportunity well, then the view of Buddhism in society will improve. People will say this is good, and so there's no question of it lessening the teachings, length of the teachings anymore. And so this, I think, is what the Buddha intended when he was talking about this. This is just purely the societal views about it. And so it is important for us to keep this in mind. And so actually, in this day and age, if we give women the opportunity, then it is likely that instead of shortening the teachings by 500 years, it'll extend the life of the teachings by 500 years.
나들이 주산에 어다 드셔. 제상 탑락해봐 좀 질린 사변 도사죠. 야나겐 주벽에 주셔지. 디나로라야 네 기구 담을 서베 샤게 보면 앞야 rabdu chung wala tene gozi gabashi chung je sangi kunul jane sangi labe tuzhe samaro garinche shure de shure zana sangi danga simje rime ba tamchele de nirin yawa dil garin mi samar garinche lago yana 군가오 래 거든치라오 군가오 지 그냥 분명 삼절 거라고 자와 첨부해야 돼와 아들 이제 근데 인주산에 군가오를 되네 거든치스 쇼고레스 अने भाजी दिने जैसे माओ वाले इन्हें भूमि जिदा भूमि है लाभार तो रात चुंगा दिने कुरान जो कांगे यार दिने चुंगा ही ना गुंगा वाले सोता हो गुंगा वाले सोता ना गुंगा वाले जुन्री की तब कितने कुरान पैब ने समर में ता जुन्री की तब ये कुरान कांगे से जिस नंगरेस जिस सुंगले तेने महाप्रजापति समर में किसी दामो चिम्यो के गेलों माते सोला कानाने अंगारां से तंबा समर में गुंगो तेरे जेरे चकोदोस करे जेरे चको ये भी इंसान दावा करता दावा दे चंगे में ताकता सोचों ले आज दावा कर चीज़ लिया सोचों ले आज तो गुंगो करे जेरे चाचे सोचों ले आज जैसो जैसे दी गुंजन तेने ताते कैच में दो समझे 엔터리 되네 군주 주매 군주기 다리 가드레 숨주다 수수지를 봐 숨주 수지라 되네 그래 숨주를 다 간지 뒤질라면 말죠 제가 주매 땜바게에 쳐갔어요 다 되네 지 짬네 주드는 쳐야지 아디는 저디 가서 군거라 저디 티버심이 다 소종 티버심이 소종이 아니지 육내 소리지 이는 육내라면이지 티버심이 소종이 아니지 되네 제레스다 파버 제레스다 군거니 예면도 봐 가서 예면서 말아 다 드네르지 냠솔 해야돼 봐 드네지 주터로 드네지 쳐가로 드네지 다 저디 주매에 땜바 개발 교회 다 내가 쳐가 되지 잠나 야베로 요거 만들었음 대야 지 파버 제레스다 군거니 파진 투이 예면도 지임이라 가래서는 공부르기 차동 전동 주도지 알아 디나로래야 되네 제레스기 남배고는 우줍는 거래 야나 군거의 남배 수시한데 우줍는 거래 세제 레송샤 제상 군거 어디 티버심이 와서 제는 제레스가 넘주는 지금 문제 주고 맨로 삼으로 들을수도 네 아주 지주마 방만 드라마티즈이네야 제레스가 넘주임에도 시가 봐 아다들이 제바 개발지 들이 여자 아다들이 두터 차이 말에 안들이 주산에 안들이 지 로규 금세 나도 개발자고 아데 계속 시작해서 안신나가 쉬었으면
In the Sutra of the Profound Activity and Skill in Means, which was translated into Tibetan from the Chinese, there is a story about how Mahaprajapati and 500 Shakya bhikshunis, after they went forth and became bhikshunis, were very happy. And so they went back to the Buddha to express their appreciation or to thank him for it. And the Buddha said that my kindness is the same for all sentient beings without bias. There is none who is near or far from me, so there is no need to express appreciation for me. But if you need to express appreciation for someone, that is Ananda for whom you should have appreciation, because it is from his kindness and his compassion that you should do. So you should go and express your appreciation and thanks to Ananda. The Buddha also said, in the future, when women, and particularly nuns, have difficulties, you should supplicate Ananda. If you supplicate him, then he will come and he will relieve your difficulties. And so the Mahaprajapati remembered this and realized that they needed to recollect the kindness and to commemorate the kindness of Ananda. And so she instituted a practice where during the Sojong or Prasada ceremony on one particular month, I don't remember which month it is, but in one particular month during the Sojong ceremony, they have a particular ceremony of recollecting, of a commemoration of Ananda. And so I think that this is very important, an important thing for us to remember. And so for that reason, here during the Arya Chema Winter Dharma Gathering on the 30th, I believe, we will have a ritual for the nuns' teachings to flourish. And so this is a new ritual that I am assembling or composing based on other texts. And in this ritual, we will take the Mahayana Sojong vows. And so in one aspect, it's similar to the Nyungne fasting process. And in this, we will imagine that it would be a practice where we imagine Avalokiteshvara and Ananda as being indivisible in practice in this way. And so I am composing this, ritual for the nuns' dharma to flourish. Now, the reason for doing this is that Avalokiteshvara and Ananda are actually indivisible in mind stream. And we know this because of a sadhana practice written by Nagarjuna for the thousand-eyed Chenrezig, in which it says that you can imagine him in the form of Avalokiteshvara, and he will come and give you the siddhis, or you can imagine that Ananda, in the form of Ananda, coming and giving you siddhis. So in any case, in the Mahayana, Ananda is considered an emanation of Avalokiteshvara, just as we consider Tara to be an emanation of Avalokiteshvara as well. In any case, it is similar, and so we will be doing this this sadhana practice, and I thought it would be important for you to know and understand the history and the reasons for it.